What's up, everybody? This is Dick with Rule Hard Garage. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. Shit's been crazy. I shot a video, I wrote a bunch of stuff in a book, I was going to do all this stuff, but I realized that really that's not what any of this is about. It's about just the act of taking the first step. That's the most important thing. Took the first step when I decided to get back into my routine, which is writing in my notebook every day, exercising in the morning, stretching, meditating, all of those things. That was step one for me getting back into my routine. That was the first step into getting something done and getting over this roadblock. So everything that I wrote in here doesn't matter. All the video that I shot before this doesn't matter. What is in my control is the things that are in this shop, and I've got shit that I need to get done, and I'm gonna do it. Today is day one of getting over all of this shit. I really wished that I would have built mounts into this plate when I originally did this, because now I'm wanting to bolt that license plate mount slash taillight right here. Problem is, I've already done this. One way or another, I'm gonna have to figure that out. I gotta go take a look at my materials, come up with a plan, and jump into it and see what happens. So this is where we're at. We took the piece of angle iron, we got it cut to the width that we needed it cut to. Used the saw to chop into there so we get a nice clean even cut, kind of grind it down. As you can see, there's lots of pitting and nasty rust on the back of this, but this is what we got, so this is what we're going to use. Just got to clean it up really good. We got this notch cut out so it would slip right over the frame. Go around, get that all nice and welded in. First, we have to figure out a way to kind of lighten up the style of this. We're going to try to come up with something to clean it up, drill some holes in it for the mounting purposes, and also just to make it look a little bit lighter and so it's not so bulky. set out to build this taillight this morning, and I didn't quite get there. But what I did accomplish greatly is getting the mount figured out as far as exactly how I was going to get all these things to bolt together. So basically what I've done is I've taken this piece of angle iron and I've turned it into this mount right here, which will slip over the frame and weld on. And then from there, there'll be a frame that bolts off of this that is going to hold a license plate. And then also off of that is going to be a frame that holds this so that this can also bolt on so that you can have the tail light that I was talking about as well. Just like that. Whoa. I didn't actually do or accomplish what I actually set out to do or accomplish today, but the reality is that I needed to jump in and just gain some success. So this is measurable success. I can go into my notebook and scratch this off. This is something that I did. This is something that needed to be done, that I was held up on, and I just needed to jump in and make some progress on. So every journey starts with the first step. This was the first step. And now it's something I've opened up and something that I've got to finish, something that I've got to work towards where I felt stuck before. And that's the only lesson here today, guys. It doesn't matter if it's the pandemic, it doesn't matter if it's projects that you have in the shop or what the hell you have going on. You just have to stand up on your own 2 feet and move forward, and you will find your way as you begin to travel, right? That's all I have for today. This has been Rule Hard Garage. If you like these videos, please do not forget to share them with your friends. Subscribe, comment down below. Let me know how much you love these videos.